Hello students. In previous video we have learned about the cash memo. That what is cash memo and how can we read this cash memo. So let us revise it and do some more questions on this cash memo. So on the top the name of the shop is given. Here the name of the shop is Toy Corner. And here the list of the items which you have purchased is given. Here is the teddy bear, bat and ball, and here is the quantity. Quantity means how many number of pieces you have taken और कितना आपने लिया है, that is quantity. So here you have taken one teddy bear, 2 bats and 3 balls. And next is your rate per item. So what do you mean by per? Per means each. Rate of each item. Each means har ek. That means cost of one item. So cost of one teddy bear is this. Cost of one bat. Per item means one bat. Cost of one bat is 80 rupees. And the cost of one ball is 30 rupees. This is not the cost of 3 balls. Keep it in mind. This is not the cost of 3 balls. ये 3 balls की cost नहीं है. ये 2 bats की cost नहीं है. Why? Because this is the rate per item. Per item means one item की cost ये है. And we have to calculate the amount कि कितना जैसे one bat का cost है 80 rupees. So 2 bats की कितनी होगी? We have to multiply these two and then we will get the amount. And then we have to add these 3 amounts total. To find the total amount we have to add these 3 amounts. So here is the total amount which we have to pay to the shopkeeper. So here is the total amount. So that we have learned in our previous video, and we have done question number 1 of worksheet number 6. Now today we will discuss the remaining questions of this worksheet number 6. So here is again a cash memo is given. Look at the cash memo and answer the questions. So this cash memo is of Agrawal Sweet Corner. This is the name of the shop, Agrawal Sweet Corner. And from this shop what is purchased? Barfi, Rasgulla and Jalebi. And quantity is also given. कितनी बर्फी ली है, कितना रसगुल्ला लिया है, कितना जलेबी. So 2 kg barfi is purchased, 1 kg rasgulla and 1 kg jalebi. And rate per item. Per item means not the cost of one barfi. It is the cost of 1 kg barfi. Right? Rate per item in this case it is different because barfi हम pieces में नहीं लेते हैं. We purchase बर्फी रसगुल्ला एंड जलेबी इन kilograms. वे उनका weight measure करके हम purchase करते हैं. So here this is the cost or rate of 1 kg barfi. This is the cost of 1 kg rasgulla and this is the cost of 1 kg jalebi. Because हम इनको weight measure करके लेते हैं. Then here is the amount. 1 kg barfi की cost थी 350. So the cost of 2 kilogram of barfi is 700 rupees. We have multiplied both quantity and rate per item. इनको multiply किया. We get 700 rupees. So 350 rupees की 1 kg barfi थी. So 2 kg barfi कितने की हो गई? 350 multiplied by 2. That is 700 rupees. Similarly, cost of 1 kg rasgulla is 90 rupees and quantity हमने 1 kg ही ली है. So multiplied by 1, we will get the same answer. You know, whenever we multiply any number by 1, we will get the same number. That is, the product will be the number itself. And again, in third case, jalebi, cost of 1 kg jalebi is 65 rupees and we have purchased 1 kg jalebi. So 65 multiplied by 1 is 65, and here is the total amount. We have added these three amounts, and this is the total amount that we have to pay to the shopkeeper. Now the question is, what is the name of the shop? So what is the name of the shop? Here it is written Agrawal Sweet Corner. So write down Agrawal Sweet Corner. Right? Now next is, how many kilograms of barfi was purchased? So कितने किलोग्राम बर्फी परचेज किया है? So here is the quantity. We have to go see in the quantity. How many kilogram barfi was purchased? 2 kilogram. 2 kilogram. Next is, what is the cost of 1 kilogram jalebi? So we have to see cost of 1 kilogram. So we have to see the rate per item. So cost of 1 kilogram is 65 rupees. That is 65. And what is the total amount? So where is the total amount? कहाँ लिखा होता है? Here total amount. ये आपका पर आइटम का अमाउंट है, हर एक आइटम का अमाउंट है, और here is the total amount. इन सबको ऐड करके we get the total amount. So 855 rupees. So what is the total amount? Rupees 855. Right? Now in next question we have to compute the cash memo. That means हमें इसको इसकी पूरा अमाउंट निकालना है हमने in cash memos. So in question number 3, compute the following cash memos. Compute means we have to find out the amount. Incomplete bill is given. Only the quantity and rate per item is given. We have to find out the amounts. You can see here, and the total amount. So the name of the shop is Jan Store. And here the items that was purchased is sugar, rice and wheat. So how much sugar is purchased? 2 kilogram, rice 1 kilogram and wheat 4 kilograms. And rate per item, that means rate of sugar, 1 kg sugar is rupees 30. Rate of 1 kg rice is 25 rupees, and rate of 1 kg wheat is 20 rupees. So 1 kg sugar, rice and wheat ki cost is given. We have to find out the amount. So how can we find out the amount? 1 kg sugar 30 rupees की है. So 2 kilogram of sugar कितने rupees की होगी? So what we will do? We have to multiply. जब हम सेम चीज बार बार ऐड करते हैं, 30 rupees 1 kg की, 30 rupees 2 kg की, so 30 plus 30. Here in case of wheat, 20 rupees का 1 kg है, so 20 rupees का 2nd kg, 20 rupees का 3rd kg, 20 rupees का 4th kg. So same thing is adding again and again. So जब same repeated addition के हम क्या करते हैं? Multiplication, right? जब same चीज हम add कर रहे हैं again and again, so what we will do? We will multiply. Instead of adding the same thing again and again, we will multiply. So जब हमें amount निकालना होता है, we have to multiply. So cost of 2 kilogram of sugar is 30 multiplied by 2. So multiply it, 30, 3 to the 6 and 0, that is 60 rupees and 00 paise. You can also multiply in your rough notebook. अगर आपको ऐसे मुश्किल लगता है multiply करना orally, then you can multiply in your rough notebook and then write the answers here. And then 25 ones, you know what will be the answer. 1 से multiply करेंगे तो same number will come, that is 25 rupees. And then 20 multiplied by 4. So 4 to the 8, that is 80 rupees. Because 1 0 of 20 and 4 to the 8. 80 rupees is the cost of 4 kilogram of wheat. Now we have to find out the total amount. So how can we find out the total? You all know total is the keyword of addition. और टोटल निकालने के लिए what we will do, we will add these three amounts. Add them. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. First of all, we will add the passage. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is again 0. And then add the rupees. So here 0 plus 5 plus 0. And keep it in mind, जब आप यहाँ पर amount लिख रहे हैं, आपका ones place के नीचे ones आना चाहिए, tens के नीचे tens, 100 के नीचे 100, 1000. In a proper way, you have to write the amounts so that it will be easy for you to add the amounts, right? If अगर आप आगे पीछे लिखेंगे तो what will happen? It will be very difficult for you to add here, because अब यहाँ पर आपका क्या है, एक straight line में है, so it becomes quite easy. So 0 plus 5 plus 0 is 5, and 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 6 is 16. So 165 rupees is the total amount, right? So in the same way, we have to find out the amount in the next cash memo. So this cash memo is of Andaz Fashion Point. Andaz Fashion Point, and the items that is purchased is shirt, sari and jeans. Quantity, how many shirts are purchased? 1 shirt. And how many saris are purchased? 2. And jeans 1. Right? Quantity means कितने हमने लिए हैं, and then rate per item means कि 1 shirt की cost कितनी है, 150. 1 sari की cost is 250 rupees, and the cost of 1 jeans is 399 rupees 50 paise. Now what you have to do? You have to find out the amount and the total amount. So what we have to do? We have to multiply. So again, this is very easy. 150 multiplied by 1, we will get the same number, that is 150. 150 and 00 paise. Then 250 multiplied by 2. So multiply it in your rough notebook. So 250 multiplied by 2 is 500. So we will write 500 in such a way कि आपका ones place ones के नीचे, tens comes under tens, and 100 place comes under 100 place. So 500, 0 comes under 0, again next 0 comes under 5, and next 5 comes under 1. So this is ones place, tens place, 100 place, and your paise is 0 0. And in the third item, jeans, cost of 1 jeans is 399 rupees 50 paise, and only 1 jeans is purchased. So whenever we multiply it by the number by 1, then we will get the same number as the product. So 50 paise, so write down 50 paise, ones under ones place and tens under tens, and then 399 rupees. So 993. You can see here I have written all the digits in proper places. Ones come under ones, tens under tens, and 100 comes under 100, so that it will be easy for us to add. Now add these amounts. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 plus 5 is 5. And then 9 plus 0 plus 0 is 9. 9 plus 0 plus 5 is 14. Carry over 1. And 5 plus 3 is 8, plus 1 9, plus 1 is 10. So what is the total amount that we have to pay is 1049 rupees 50 paise. So in this way you can compute the cash memos, and you can also read the cash memos, the items, quantity, rate per item, and the total amount. So in next video we will discuss how to subtract the amounts, given amounts. Thank you.